Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
Today I'm stir frying dandelion greens with fermented bean curd. So let's review the ingredients here. These are dandelion greens. I have minced garlic. This is a fermented bean curd. And I like to use the Godmother brand with a chili oil. I have seasoning salt mix, Shaoxing wine, and sesame oil. For the prep, let's begin with cutting the greens. And I'm just going to cut it into thirds. And basically that's it. And I already had some minced garlic. So the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, I have the wok set at a medium-high heat. Let's add a generous amount of oil. Add the garlic. We'll add the greens. It looks like a lot, but it's going to cook down. I'm going to add the chili bean curd. I'm going to crush it a little bit with a fork. Get all the oil too. Add some of the seasoning salt, some sesame oil, and Shaoxing wine. Give it a quick toss. And you only want to cook this until the leaves are wilted. And this is done. So let's plate this. And here we have a wonderfully delicious plate of stir-fried dandelion greens with a fermented chili oil bean curd. Cooking the greens with the fermented bean curd helps mellow out the mild bitterness and grassy flavor of the greens. And the dandelion greens are also a great source of calcium and vitamin C. It's good for you. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Oh, yummy. She likes dandelion greens. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.